Your power tool uses a basic single-pole switch that breaks the circuit on one of the wires. After thousands of cycles and years of use, the switch will wear out. Testing for a bad switch can be easily done using a multimeter. Replacing the switch is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the adjustable handle from the trimmer. To remove the handle, I'll press the button that you normally press when you adjust the handle and insert a metal rod through the hole in the opposite side to push the internal plunger. Now remove the screws that secure the two halves of the housing together. Two of the screws are located underneath the sticker. You'll need to locate those screws, cut through the sticker, and then you can remove them. Also on the top, you'll need to cut through this sticker. Then I can separate the two halves of the housing. Now I'll remove the switch from the housing and disconnect the wires. And I'll install the new switch. First I'll install the red wire, and then the black. And I'll place the switch back into the housing, making sure I route the wires through the housing so they won't get pinched. Now I'll reinstall the drive cable into the drive gear. And align the shaft with the housing. I need to make sure that I align this tab with the housing so it can slide back and forth. And now I'll reinstall the cover. The plunger has a couple of tabs inside that need to align with the plunger on the opposite side. I'll rotate it around until they engage and I can squeeze the two plungers together. And I'll begin retightening the screws. And I'll finish by reinstalling the adjustable handle. And that's how you can install a new switch in your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up